Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a custom exception in Python. So I'm going to create a function, custom exception, and we're going to start off with try. Okay, so we're going to open a file with open, and that's going to be, we're just going to type in xx.txt because I know that file does not exist, and we're going to use the read here, so to read the file as file. Just get rid of this annoying thing here. File object. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. We're going to do the exception now. And the first one is going to be file not found error. I'm going to print a message to the user. Let's use format file here. Error occurred, and file wasn't found. Actually, I don't need that format there. Error occurred, file not found. Right, I'm going to do the next exception here. To call it exception, as E. And we're going to print and use the format file, and unexpected error occurred. It's going to be the E. Right, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to create a path to my desktop, because we're going to check the desktop here. So that's going to be C : users mark desktop. Okay, and then that's going to be os.chdir. Change directory to the path. And when you do that, you're going to have to import the OS module here. So that's import OS. Okay, this particular path is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to type in the path to your desktop if you're on Windows, because it won't be that. If you just type this code in here and try and run the program, you'll get an error. Okay, now all we have to do is call it. So we put a text here. I'm going to call it xx1.txt because I know that particular file does not exist on my desktop, and it should throw this error: file not found. So custom just run that. Whoops. Expected in the line 8. Let's have a look where line 8 is. Okay, slight error here. I forgot to type in some extra code here, so we need to actually open it and print it. So that's going to be file, object, sorry, not file object, so content is equal to file object dot read, and then we print the contents. Let's just save that. So what we're going to do is we're going to run it. An error occurred, file not found. So it couldn't find the file there, and if anything else happens, any other things, it'll come down onto this exception here. An unexpected error occurred, so that will be for virtually anything else. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this was useful to you. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.